Thais are a wonderful people, to whom manners are a gift, and respect an unwritten law. Welcome to Taiwan. Join us this week in Taiwan as we see how the goodwill between two nations is helping to improve the quality of life in a wonderful city. Former complaints about the quality of life in Bangkok, pollution and traffic congestion, are becoming things of the past as great strides are taken in improving these areas. Since 1970, the Thai government has been planning a mass rapid transit system to improve living conditions in the city. The inauguration of the BTS SkyTrain was just the first step. It is with the opening of the MRTA subway that Bangkokians will see what a truly enjoyable city we live in. Today, we are honored to be taken on a private tour of the future MRTA Silom station by the governor of the MRTA, Kun Prapat. Construction of the MRTA subway is on schedule, and as of today, the tunnels are 100% complete. You can actually walk the whole 20 kilometers of the MRTA Blue Line from Hua Lamphong to Bang Sue. As we proceed deep into the core of the station, we pass through the 4 levels that will define the life of the Silom station. Out of the total 18 stations, Silom is the deepest, at 30 meters underground. It is constructed vertically stacked, with trains running in tunnels on top of each other instead of side by side, as in the other station, due to limited underground space. Lumpini Station is constructed the same way. Silom Station will have the highest escalators in Thailand, 18 meters long, and they are already built and in place. But at Silom Station, questions of compatibility come to mind.
We have connection points where passengers can transfer from BTS to our system. One of the transfer points is here, Silom Station, okay, where the passenger can change the direction of traveling by going up to the top and then take the SkyTrain. And then we have another 2 more points where we can transfer the passenger. One is at Seoul intersection and the other one at Mochit.
All of the other stations are 3-level stations. Level 1 for ticket sales, Level 2 the entrance to trains, and Level 3 the train platform. Security has also been assured. The subway system is built to the highest NFPA standards, minimizing the chances of fire, including all necessary fire alarms and numerous extinguishing systems. 2 electricity supply circuits are available, and in the event of a total failure, intervention shafts have been foreseen for safe evacuation of passengers. Risks of flooding are minimal, as all access points must be built at least 1 meter above the highest recorded flood levels documented over the past 200 years. In the event that this height would be insufficient to protect the stations, all entrances are equipped with automatic pop-up gates to halt any water from entering the premises. Also, tunnels between stations are constructed in a slight U-shape, with evacuation drains in the center in the event of any water seepage. This design also helps the acceleration of the trains as they leave the station and their deceleration as they approach the next station. Station facilities will include elevators, escalators, and newspaper kiosks, and have been designed with everyone in mind.
Well, we have provided escalator and elevators for the handicapped and for the old and the children, so that they can come into the station and use the system more conveniently.
The Blue Line, Hua Lamphong Bang Sue, is 20 kilometers long and has 18 stations. It will be open from 5 a.m. till midnight, with trains running every 6 to 10 minutes and every 2 to 4 minutes during rush hour, at an average speed of 35 kilometers an hour and a maximum speed of 80 kilometers an hour. The La Prau station will feature a park and ride, with space for over 2,000 cars, making life much easier for those living out of the city to reach Bangkok Center swiftly and efficiently as we await more good news.
We have a plan to request for extension. We're going to submit that to the cabinet pretty soon to do the extension from Wollongpong to Bangkok or maybe to Thap Prat first.
All present and future MRTA subway trains will use this depot as their home. The foundations are 100% finished and ready for the tracks to be put down. We're here at the halfway point between the Hua Lamphong and Bang Sue stations. As you can see, this is where the spot where the depot is being constructed. The concrete foundations are 100% finished, just waiting for the tracks to be laid down. If you look off into the distance, the tunnel that has been completed is ready to accept the 500-plus trains that will soon be rolling in here. The MRTA subway is the biggest ongoing project underway in Thailand today, at a cost of over 110 billion baht. It has been made possible with the help of the Japan Bank of International Cooperation. Originally, the JBIC had granted Thailand a loan covering 60% of the project's cost. But when hard times hit a few years ago, the remaining 40% was still a large sum to be paid out locally. Initially, the 20 kilometers of the MRTA subway were planned half above ground and half underground. This proposal had numerous negative impacts on the city and the surrounding environment. Due to these considerations, in 1995, it was decided to construct the entire project underground and make it 100% environmentally friendly. Because of this, JBIC decided to put other considerations aside and loan the entire amount necessary for construction at only 0.75% interest. A very noble gesture towards building a better world for all of us very soon.
We opened the first section in December 2002 and then the remaining parts in July 2003. And we hope that we can accomplish that so that we will help the people of Bangkok in their traveling, in their commuting life.